I want to talk to you about Ionos WordPress hosting. And Ionos does a lot of things. They do hosting, they do WordPress hosting, they do website building, they do a lot of stuff. But in today's conversation, I want to focus on their WordPress hosting services. So in a nutshell, when you think about Ionos WordPress hosting, I want you to think about efficiency. I want you to think about scalability. So if you are considering Ionos WordPress hosting, you have to really understand that you have a reliable hosting service. You have a user-friendly interface. You have scalable planes, and those scalable planes are suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. And we love the fact that Ionos WordPress hosting prioritizes performance and security, offering features like DDoS protection and SSL certificates. So that's really cool. Don't forget that Ionos actually is great with website building, but also they do hosting, all kinds of hosting, shared hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, and so on and so forth. They also provide domain name registration. But one thing for sure, if you are looking for extensive customization options, or let's say fully managed services, Ionos might not be the right fit for you. Additionally, if you have, let's say, a high traffic website or specific compliance requirements, you may need to explore other hosting options. But for most individuals and businesses, in our view, Ionos WordPress hosting offers a solid and dependable solution. It doesn't matter if you're looking for a WordPress solution for your blog, your e-commerce store, or your company website. WordPress hosting from Ionos will be great for you. What are the pros and cons of this service? The pros first. Ionos provides reliable uptime and fast loading times for your website, ensuring a positive user experience. It offers scalable hosting solutions, allowing you to easily upgrade your resources as your website grows. It prioritizes website security. It offers an intuitive control panel and one-click WordPress installation, making it very easy to set up and manage your website. It also provides a range of integrated tools and features to enhance your website's functionality, such as website builders and SEO tools. So that's really cool. What about the cons here? Ionos WordPress hosting has limited customization options compared to other hosting providers, such as Bluehost or DreamHost. Ionos actually offers self-managed hosting solutions, meaning you'll need to handle most of the technical aspects of your website yourself. And the company also has insufficient support resources, especially if you require specialized WordPress support beyond basic troubleshooting. What is the target audience here? In other words, who is Ionos WordPress hosting best for? You can see on the screen here that in terms of affordability, Ionos is really well positioned, right? I mean, their pricing you're looking at $4 per month, $5 per month, $8 per month. The only catch is that you have to sign up for 3 years. 3 years. This is not a month to month. No, you got to sign up for 3 years. Okay. So choose Ionos WordPress hosting if you value simplicity, because it offers easy setup and management and a straightforward hosting experience. If you seek reliability and website stability, if you require scalability that allows you to easily upgrade your resources as your website grows in size and traffic, if you value affordability, if you value robust security measures, including DDoS protection and SSL certificates, if you need expert support, they will be available whenever you need assistance with your WordPress site. If you want WordPress hosting that seamlessly integrates with other services, providing convenience and efficiency, and if you run businesses that require, let's say, professional features and reliability, like those businesses, if they have websites that require professional features and reliability, you want to go with Ionos. Who is Ionos WordPress hosting not right for? Well, you want to consider other WordPress hosts if you require, let's say, if you require extensive customization options or specific server configurations. If you experience consistently high traffic volumes, you might need more robust hosting solutions that Ionos shared plans provide. If you prefer fully managed hosting with comprehensive support and maintenance, this could be another reason to look for a rival. If you require specialized WordPress support beyond basic troubleshooting, maybe a rival could be better. If you run websites serving critical functions and you need higher reliability, security, and support levels, then you want to go for other players, because Ionos is not going to give you the fulcrum, the foundation that the technical foundation that you need to actually ensure that you're running your business efficiently. I want to talk to you about the value added here. So when we talk about Ionos WordPress hosting, what does this service offer? Let's go a little granular. So basically, Ionos WordPress hosting provides a robust hosting solution tailored specifically for WordPress users. So with Ionos, you can expect a lot of things. I mean, and that's what we love. We love the reliability, but we love the diversity of offers that the company has. So you can expect, for instance, reliable performance. You can expect a user-friendly interface. I mean, user-friendly interface is really cool, because the last thing you want is to actually have to take an exam to study how to use the platform. You want a platform that's very user-friendly, not only for you, but also for your teams, right? For your team members. And with Ionos, you can expect also scalability. So you have scalable hosting plans that grow with your website, allowing you to easily upgrade your resources, such as storage space and bandwidth, as your website expands in size and attracts more traffic. With Ionos, you can expect security features. That's really good. I spoke to you a little earlier about the DDoS protection, the SSL certificates. But the cool thing is that what we love about Ionos is that basically you are safeguarding your site from cyber threats and ensuring data integrity, because the company is constantly running stuff in the background, security stuff in the background. You can expect also 24/7 support. You have integrated tools also that you will love through Ionos, and you also have professional themes. Now, the professional themes are pretty interesting, because Ionos offers access to a library of professional WordPress themes, allowing you to choose from a wide range of designs and layouts to customize the look and feel of your website and create a unique online presence that reflects your brand identity and vision. And that brand identity is really there to stay because of scalability reasons. Like I told you a little earlier, you can count on Ionos to support you down the road. So when your website is attracting, let's say, 5,000 people a month, the Ionos will be there for you. And if your website goes to 5 million visitors a month, Ionos will still be there for you because of its scalability capability. What are the differentiators here? So when you think about Ionos, where does this player stand out? Well, you have performance. You have scalability. That's an important element to point out. You have security. You have user friendliness. You have integrated tools, and you have customer support. So when we talk about the performance, for instance, basically you can expect server optimization that will help you ensure lightning fast loading times and consistent performance for your WordPress website. And in terms of scalability, I've already spoken about that, but it's really solid there. Okay, you are able to enjoy scalability that's coupled with flexibility and adaptability. You also have security. I spoke about that before. You have also the customer support. So Ionos offers 24/7 expert support to assist users whenever they encounter issues or let's say have questions about their WordPress hosting. And so this dedicated support ensures that assistance is readily available, providing peace of mind and ensuring a smooth hosting experience across the board, not only for you, but also for your teams, right? And that's what you want anyway. You want to have that peace of mind. And where does Ionos WordPress hosting fall short? So if you are considering Ionos WordPress hosting, be aware of its limitations and be aware also of the fact that potential shortcomings can help you actually maybe choose another player, like choose a rival. So Ionos WordPress hosting is not the right provider for your website when it comes to advanced customizations, when it comes to limited managed services, when it comes to specialized support, when it comes to handling high traffic, when it comes to HIPAA compliance, when it comes to dedicated resources, and when it comes to specific hosting needs. For example, when I talk about HIPAA compliance, If your website deals with sensitive healthcare information requiring HIPAA compliance, Ionos hosting may not meet the necessary security standards. You might need to consider alternative hosting options with specialized compliance features such as Bluehost or GoDaddy or even DreamHost. If you're looking for dedicated resources, this could be another area where you might want to look for something else, because Ionos primarily focuses on shared hosting. So if you need dedicated server resources for optimal performance, you may need to explore other providers offering VPS or dedicated hosting environments. So something that could be a little bummer for some people, especially if you have a lot of activities already going on with Ionos. Let's talk about onboarding. So how do you qualify and register for Ionos WordPress hosting? Pretty straightforward, okay? You want to assess your needs, so start by evaluating your website requirements, including expected traffic, storage space, and budget. This will help you choose the right hosting plan that meets your specific needs. And then you want to visit the Ionos website and navigate to the WordPress hosting section. You can explore the available plans and features to find the one that best suits your requirements. And then select the plan. Choose the hosting plan that aligns with your needs based on features, pricing, and resources offered. Consider factors such as storage space, bandwidth, and any additional features you may require. And then you can customize your plan. That's a cool thing. You can actually, after choosing your plan, you can customize it by selecting any additional features or add-ons such as domain registration or SSL certificates, so that you can, in the end, enhance your hosting experience. That's what it is, right? You want to really be in a situation where you are enhancing your hosting experience. And then you want to sign up. I mean, that pretty straightforward. Sign up or get started. Click on either button to begin the registration process. Follow the prompts to create your Ionos account. Provide information like things like first name, last name, business email address, payment information, okay, and configure your hosting. So you have to follow the on-screen instructions to configure your hosting settings, such as choosing your domain name and setting up your WordPress installation. Ionos provides easy to follow setup guides to assist you through this process. And so after you do everything, complete the registration and access your account. So that's totally fine. And don't forget to install WordPress though. With Ionos one-click WordPress installation tool, setting up your WordPress website is quick and easy. Simply follow the prompts to install WordPress and start building your website right away. So that's an important element to think about. I want to talk to you about the rivals, the alternatives, the competitors to Ionos WordPress hosting. So if for any reason you can't really go with Ionos because they don't have the right features for you, or you don't have the right budget for their services, you can consider Bluehost. I said to you this to you a little earlier. You can consider SiteGround. You can go with DreamHost. You can think about HostGator. You can think about WP Engine. You can think about A2 hosting. Let me break it down for you. So Bluehost, for instance, Bluehost is known for its user-friendly interface and reliability. So, and the company offers a range of WordPress hosting plans suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. What about SiteGround? SiteGround is renowned for its excellent customer support and performance optimization features, making it a popular choice for WordPress users seeking speed and reliability. What about DreamHost? Well, DreamHost offers managed WordPress hosting solutions with a focus on affordability and scalability, making it a great option for growing websites. HostGator actually provides a variety of WordPress hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting options, catering to users with diverse needs and budgets. And WP Engine is actually a provider that specifically focuses on WordPress, because WP actually stands for WordPress. So they specialize in managed WordPress hosting, offering advanced features such as automated updates, staging environments, and developer tools for high-performance websites, high-traffic websites. And you finally have A2 hosting. So A2 hosting offers a turbocharged WordPress hosting with optimized performance and developer-friendly features, ideal for users seeking speed and flexibility. The bottom line is what? Which one should you go for? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for speed, if you're looking for affordability, if you're looking for features, if you're looking for scalability, the choice that you have, the choice that you make in the end will be different, right? Every provider has its pros and cons. You got to have a clear idea. The good thing about this variety of names I give you is that we have actually reviewed every single one of them, every single one of those players. We have reviewed them on this show, so you have the opportunity to actually go and listen to our reviews. I mean, our reviews are generally granular; they're generally in depth. So at least you know, after watching one or two or three of our shows, you have a clear idea when it comes to web hosting or website building. You have a clear idea of which one you should choose in the first place. So what are the extras here? So when we think about Ionos WordPress hosting review, I mean, basically in terms of customer reviews, basically you have overly positive customer reviews, okay? Many users praise the platform for its reliability, fast loading times, and user-friendly interface, noting that this platform provides a seamless hosting experience for WordPress websites. Positive reviews often highlights Ionos' excellent customer support, with users appreciating the quick response times and helpful assistance from the support team. So that's really cool. And one thing I want to say is that let me give you a few pro tips before we close to this conversation. So basically, when you go with Ionos WordPress hosting or any other player, you want to regularly update WordPress and plugins. Keep your WordPress core and plugins updated to ensure optimal performance, security, and compatibility with the latest features. You want to implement caching. And when we talk about caching, you want to use caching plugins or server level caching to speed up your website's load times and improve user experience. You want to optimize images, compress and optimize images before uploading them to your website to reduce page load times and save server resources. You want to enable gzip compression. So gzip compression actually is great because it allows you to reduce the size of files transferred between the server and visitors' browsers, improving website speed. You want to use a CDN, so a content delivery network, so that you can distribute your website's content across multiple servers worldwide, reducing latency and improving load times for visitors from different locations. You also want to regularly back up your website. You never know, Doesn't matter the provider, you want to regularly back up your website because you want to prevent data losses in case of accidents or security breaches. You also want to monitor website performance. So using tools like Google Analytics or WordPress plugins to monitor your website performance, track, let's say, visitor behavior, and identify areas for improvement. And you also want to optimize your database. So clean up your WordPress database regularly by removing unnecessary data such as post revisions and spam comments to improve website speed and efficiency. And that will help you in the long run. So overall, in terms of recap, Ionos WordPress hosting offers a range of features and benefits tailored to meet the needs of users looking for reliable and user-friendly hosting solutions. Do we actually recommend Ionos? Yes, of course. So with a focus on performance, scalability, security, and customer support, Ionos strives to provide a seamless hosting experience for WordPress services of all WordPress websites of all sizes. So in closing, in today's conversation, I spoke to you about Ionos WordPress hosting. I gave you the nutshell sort of version of this service, the target audience, the value added, the differentiators, the onboarding, the extras, and now in closing. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.